for the Uniflexity business app that will help in inventory and stock management. So you can log in and go to the dashboard. So once you go to the dashboard, that's where you find different functionalities. So basically, once you reach the dashboard, this is the main dashboard. So here it's actually telling us the components that are in the inventory system, which is 1,430. Currently, since we don't have the buying and selling price, that's why you find these values are 0. And you can have the daily sales, weekly transactions from there. So we start with the inventory management itself. So basically, this is the inventory management. So on the sample values, I only indicated one component here so that we see the value that's here. But basically, we don't have anything, so we can basically just remove it. So when you're entering products, each item per item, this is how you enter it. Put the name, you put the type, category, select the supplier, you put the buying and selling price, which will help us in finding the values of the sales and profit margins. Then you put the part number, you put the stock quantity, you put the buying date, the description. Then these are stock level indicators when if you need notifications when stock is low and stock is critical. Yeah, so basically that's that. So let's update the system and yeah, so this is what we have here. So this list can be exported. All the items that are here can be exported. This is the list. This is a full list. The stock, the price, and everything that can be downloaded as an Excel sheet, like in one comprehensive document that is used for management and those things. Then if you want to import more products into the system, you select equipment, then select it here. Once you select, you can say, okay, I want to import this. So it's automatic. So it will actually give you that this item already exists. So meaning that this helps in avoiding duplicates. Then you can do stock count. So when you count it, the counted list, it actually gives the variance. Missing items. Then it actually tells you here the summary. Then you can put the date, and you can download the stock count, which is automatically done. Yeah. Then now you come on the report section. So basically, it shows the report of all the items in the system, which is really helpful for business insights. Then you have the delivery section. Here it shows the loss after each stock count. When you have the sales there, you put the total quantity, the tickets, and here are notifications. How many notifications? You have 200 notifications. So I want to check how many have been so it becomes easier like this for you to order components because it actually tells you what items are missing. These are the items that are missing. These are items that are low, critical low. These are items that will be done shortly. Yeah. Then it gives you summary, a delivery note, address section, stated is delivered, take number, and all those things. You can expand on the sections just like that. Now we come to the AI part. So on the AI, when it's a day it's done, you don't really have to go through thousands of dashboards just for you to have insights. You can basically say delivery ticket reports for today. Then the system is analyzing to see what has been sold. If there's nothing that has been sold today, it will show you nothing. Something. So here is what has been sold. Gives you a proper summary, the overall status, the priority, the clients that are saved, clients here, the reverting note, the technician's name indicated, the fleet number also indicated here. This gives a summary of all the components that are sold. In this way, it's actually easier to make your decisions. And then it has also AI insights and recommendation. So for 0 value items, both tickets show a total 0. Verify that price information has been entered in the system. So it actually tells you if the system is not okay or it's misbehaving. The delivery ticket October precedes the ticket creation. That and these are so insightful in business management. Yeah, and then here when you're making a sale, each and every time, this is your denote. You enter the client's name, you enter the client's number, you enter the fleet number, you enter the client who's come to get the hose, enter their email, you enter their section, let's say it's milling or smelter, Then from here, you can select different components from the inventory. Say select these, and then you can increase or decrease just as fast as you can, which becomes easier for operators. Then you can select the date of the denote here. Then you can put what status, mostly is high. Then you can put status. So if it's collection, they come and collect, that's you put delivered. So assigned to a technician. Then here you describe to say the host needs a new replacement due to a version. So this really helps in terms of trying to troubleshoot, say what was the problem that's this needed an assembly. Then you put the delivery note number, you put the work order number, you put the technician's name there like that. Then you create your delivery